Today's lesson is dealing with the various measuring tools that may be used in statistics. These various tools are called mean, medians, mode, and range. The first one we're going to deal with is the mean. Now, what is the mean? The arithmetic means is the average of a set of data. In statistics, it is called just plain old mean instead of arithmetic means. Now, we can find it by adding together the number in given set of data, that's the scores, add them all together, and then divide by the number of data or the number of scores. Let's take an example. Consider these numbers right here, 10, 20, 5, 15, and 25. Now, we are asked to find the mean. Now, to find the means for this data, this is what we're supposed to do. We take all of this data that here, those 5 data, put them together and divide by 5. That will give you 75 over 5, which is 15. So the mean or the average to this score is 15. Now next, we have another one, 12, 10, 24, 39, and 15. Let's find the mean. Well, to find the mean for that, you just add them and divide by 5. The answer will be 100 over 5, which is 20. And everybody knows how to find the average of their test scores. That average of your test scores that you are finding, that's what we mean by the arithmetic means. Another measure is used in statistics is the median. And that's the middle value of a set of data or score, the middle value. Now, how do we find the middle value? When we set all the data in sequence, in a descending order, increasing order, or decreasing order. So let's look at an example here. Find the median of the set of numbers, and here they are. Now, how do we find the medians of that? Well, we'll count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. So the middle part will be the 15. So 15 is the median. Well, how about in this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. It doesn't have a middle. What do? We add the middle 2 right here, which is 15 plus 20. Divide that by 2. So the answer is 35 over 2, and that is 17 and a half. So the median for this set of data is 17 and a half. Now, the third instrument of measuring in statistics is called the mode. The mode is the score that appears the most frequent scores in a statistic or a given data. Here's an example. Let's suppose we have 8 men who went to buy suits. And this is what they bought. One of them bought a size 44, another 42, another 40, another 40, another 40, another size 38, another size 38, and another size 36. Now, what's the mode for this set of measurements? Well, the answer here, that's 2 38s, but there's 3 40. Then the answer is 40 is the mode for this set of data. And you know, people that manufacture cars, they don't go for the average man. They don't go for the median man. They go for the mode. Okay? Another measure used in statistics is the range. It measures the consistency of the scores. It is found by subtracting the smallest from the largest. Let's take an example here first. Suppose Mary and Jerry took 3 tests. Notice now that the 3 tests by Mary is 83, 85, and 87. The average of those 3 is 85. And the median is also 85. And the average of Jerry is 85, and the median is 85. But did you notice that the variation of Mary from 83 to 87 is only 4, and the variation of Jerry's scores is from 75 to 95. That's 20 points variation. It shows inconsistency of Jerry, doesn't it? All right, now you see the value of range. Now, can you please show me the range of this scores? Well, it's from 5 to 25. Notice I wrote it in an increasing order. So we subtract 25 minus 5, and the answer is 20. Okay, let's try another one. What about this one? From 10 to 39. Notice I wrote it in an increasing order. So you take the 10 and the 39 and subtract, and that'll give us 29. That's the range of this one. Now, could you please look at these set of data and find the means, the medians, the mode, and the range? All right, the first thing we're going to do is find the mean. And the mean, notice, is the average. And everybody knows how to average. You take them all together, add them, and divide by the score. Well, if we divide this by the 9 scores, we will have the average of 24. So the average of this score is 24. Now, can you look here and find the median? Well, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 scores. So the middle one will be the fifth one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's called the median. That's the median. What about the mode? Now the mode, we said, is the one that appears the most. And notice the one that appears the most is 27. So 27 is the mode. Now, what about the range? How are we going to find the range? Well, the range is the difference between 12 and 38. So we will say 38 minus 12, and that's equal to 26. And that's the range. And remember, you learn mathematics by doing mathematics. Thank you.